Hello everyone, this is Art Unitzi with the Tampa Deep Sea Explorers Red Team solution to the Boat Bumper Challenge. I worked with Dexter Batista and David Mailer on this solution. Objectives are basically the safe transfer of personnel to another vessel and protecting the bow from impacting the target vessel. The solution is not to be permanently attached and should be installable in 5 minutes in 4 to 6 foot seas, fit in a 4x4 by 2 foot hatch, and attached to existing tie-down locations. There's a diagram of the solution. It consists mostly of 3 parts. There's a set of inflatable gores that protect the bow area of the ship, a gangway that unfolds, and underneath here where you really can't see, there should be a 2-inch thick, high-density closed cell foam strip to protect the very edge of the bow. As far as the safe transfer personnel, we have a reinforced carbon fiber gangway. It is in 3 sections, a top section and 2 lower sections. The lower sections hinge so that the weight of the personnel will keep the hinge in the fully open position, and the hinge between the top section and the remainder of the ramp is such to allow it to move up and down to accommodate a different height of a target vessel. To protect the bow, we have the high-density closed cell foam that I mentioned earlier, 2 inches thick, 8 inches wide, molded to the exact shape of the ridge of the bow. A set of inflatable gores composed of 1/8-inch rubber laminated with Kevlar for durability that protect the bow area of the boat, going back 4 to 6 feet. And then we have a rubber and Kevlar steel cable layup that extends back from the inflatable area to the tie-down point for attachment. All the edges will contain the same reinforcement, steel cable reinforcement, to give the strength to the entire assembly. The lower edges of the bumper will be geodesics, so that simply tension from the installation straps will hold the structure onto the bow. It can be installed just by throwing this front inflatable section over the bow and then securing and tightening the cables, which will prevent personnel from having to hang over the bow to install it. And it will be inflated using the existing air tanks. Attachment and storage. As I said before, the device will be installed by removing it from the storage cabinet, unfolding it, throwing the inflatable section over the bow, attaching the straps, and then tightening them, and then inflating the gores, and then the ramp can be unfolded and locked into position. It can either be kept in an up position until the target vessel is acquired, or it can be dropped immediately so that it can be pushed up against the target vessel.